Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am out here at the Sparks Marina. Today I'm going to be out here fishing with Wild Warner Outdoors. He should be pulling up any minute now. It's about 7 in the morning. Looks like I'm the only one out here on the lake right now, so I mean it is kind of cold. It's about 30 something degrees. So hopefully we can get on some trout. I think that's all we're going to be able to get on. They just stocked it not too long ago. A couple thousand trout. I think it was brown trout and I think some rainbows. So that's gonna be exciting if I get on a brown trout. I record? Yeah. Yep, that's a little guy. Caught him on the corn power bait. I've always had luck out here on that, yeah. It's not really fighting. I think he's a small guy. Well, you know what? He's not that small. Just gonna lift him over. There you go. He's a male for sure. Always going away. Look at that. Let's get these pliers. It's a good looking trout.
That's the biggest one I've seen.
There he is.
So you caught one already, huh?
Yep. Show you the picture of it.
Is it a rainbow?
Yeah, it was a rainbow. Alright, so while I'm out here fishing, you know, I'm catching my fish, you know, getting close to my limits. Wild Warner out here, he wants to be extra, and he hooks into coots.
Want to be anything.
Really taking fly fishing to a different level right here, bud.
Yeah, I'm going after a big Bessie with this.
Well, good thing it's in his foot.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
So, is that your actual hook? Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna net him, hold him down.
Hold his head and wings down with the net. Hey, buddy, it's okay.
Just bring him closer, don't be scared.
Hey, wait, go grab my pliers. Oh, don't get my other line.
Alright, bird rescue right here, boys. Looking really bad in a city park.
It really does. Yeah, I'm gonna just pull him up on here. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it.
Alright.
Wait.
I know. Not releasing him. Just cut the wing. He doesn't need it.
There.
I deal with birds a lot.
Just flip the net up and let him. Don't let him bite you.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's my bobber?
The other coot has him.
I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh, I didn't know.
Hi, this is Jim Jones. What can I do for you?
I'm watching it.
You should go turn on that camera because I want to see how that one records.
My camera?
No, not mine. I don't care about yours.
Oh, yeah.
There's no time. Wrong camera, dude. I thought you were grabbing your camera. I got the net.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice one. Come here. Come here, bud.
He's all right. He's not that big. He's a little guy, but yellow's the move out right here.
Yeah. Come here, little rainbow.
Cute little rainbow. Hey.
That's how it's done. Nice.
Trout number 2, boys.
Hey.
Nah, he's in all right condition. All right, boom. I don't think he's too bad because it's still just a mouth hook. But
Put him in the net. And
trout number 2 right here. Caught him on the yellow power bait once again. He's gonna be an eater. He's kind of bleeding too much to let him go. Put this guy on the stringer, but about his gills first, so he bleeds out completely. He's gonna be a clean fish when I bring him home. I highly recommend doing that actually to all fish you catch. It gets rid of a lot of the fishy flavor, a lot of the bloodline in the meat.
putting him on. Oh. Buddy.
I don't disrespect fish on this channel. Alright. He got a little dirty, he slipped out of my hands. I think. Alright. That's one. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. It was pretty good. He didn't catch anything. I'm still a better fisherman. You know, we caught the 2 fish. I'm gonna keep the 1. He's gonna taste good tomorrow morning with breakfast. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading way more in the future. And check out my older videos, they're also pretty good. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.